How to play games on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, did you know that you can actually play games inside TikTok? And in today's video, I'll show you how you can find and play games on TikTok step by step. So, now without further ado, let's get started. So, first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the search icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the search section, just tap on the search bar and simply type in Poki and search for it. And now here, from the search result, simply tap on the first list. And now here, once you are in this profile, there you can see the link. So simply tap on it, and after that, you'll be prompted to the web browser where you can play multiple games without downloading it. So here, simply choose the game that you want to play, and here, once you tap on it, you can simply tap on the option labeled as play now, and here you can simply play the game. And that's it. That's how you can play games on TikTok. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.